So I'm running Kali 2019.1 with the standard Gnome install, and it is the rolling version. And I did something stupid. I did an apt-get dist-upgrade. I first of all did an autoclean, autoremove, and then a dist-upgrade, not knowing it was going to kill my Gnome desktop. So this is what happened. I go and log on. As you can see, logging on. Sorry about the filming, but the only way to do this was with my phone. I couldn't capture the desktop. You'll see why in a moment. Desktop is all blue. Where's my icons? No desktop icons, no toolbar down the side. There's a bit of an image there where it should be. I can kind of hover and see where things should be, but they're not there. And if I go up the top and look at the icons in the top, like for settings and for shutdown and things like that, the icons aren't there. And the desktop installation that I've got that records the desktop, that's not there plugged in at the top. It's almost like Gnome hasn't been allowed to fully run things. If I click settings, it goes nowhere. So there's no way to show this desktop. If I click on something like terminal, you'll notice that's not the normal terminal, and bang, logs me out. And I come back to the logon screen. So what's happened? After lots of Googling, I decided to reboot, and I went into the advanced options with the recovery mode. So this is not going to drop me out to a Gnome desktop, this is going to drop me out to a command line. So let it boot up as normal in recovery mode, log on, and I ran this command. apt-get install Gnome core Kali defaults Kali root login desktop base. Now when I reboot and I log on as myself, and what is waiting for me now? Aha! The Kali desktop background. The icons down the side. I can click on terminal now and it doesn't crash. I can also go up into settings and I can play with settings. I can run my apps. All my icons are there. I can reboot as normal. There's terminal working perfectly, as I would expect. So, all is not lost if this crashes. If you happen to do an update and update something in Gnome that's not compatible in Kali, there's a lot of stuff out there on the internet telling you that you're basically screwed. Well, maybe not. Reinstall Gnome and reinstall it and log into it, and hopefully it's all there. Now, during this whole process, my desktop folder has always been there. The icons have always been in it. I've been logging on as root, so I've had all the privileges I need. Yet, when this fails and I try and open terminal, I get flicked back out to logging on again. So quite concerning. I was quite distressed for quite a while. A lot of people out there online talking about this problem. No one's really talking about a solution for it. So this may not solve it for everybody, but if you do a Gnome update and you get the same situation as me, blue screen of death, let's call it, no icons, no desktop, nothing works, click on something, kicks you out, try what I tried, and try and do a reinstallation of Gnome. Right, you'll find all the commands I ran down underneath this video. So hopefully this gets somebody else out of trouble. And now I can continue on with my White Hat series. Thank you for joining me. If you like little bits of information about cracking open viruses and hacking and all that kind of thing with a White Hat point of view, then stay tuned. Tune in, subscribe, ring the bell. Thank you for your time.